Welcome back to Loom Keeps. Today I'm going to compare Gateron North Pole and Everglide Aqua. Both switches offer maximum LED light pass-through. Let's see how they compare. We are testing the switches on the QK65R2 board. On the top row, we have the looped and filmed version. The middle row is the stock version. Let's start with the stock version, Gateron North Pole. Gateron North Pole comes with 4 different versions, the yellow, red, brown, and the silver. Except the yellow, all other switches are box style. So today, I have a North Pole yellow and a red. Let's start with yellow. North Pole red stock version. Everglide Aqua in stock form. Once again, North Pole yellow. Red. Aqua. They sound quite different, and they definitely feel very different as well. The North Pole yellow is very deepened sound, and the red is more sharp. I feel like the Aqua is kind of in between. Next, let's hear the looped and filmed form, starting with North Pole yellow. North Pole red. Aqua. The feel definitely improved with looping and filming. Once again, North Pole yellow looped and filmed version. Stock version. Red loop and filmed version. Red stock version. Aqua loop and filmed. Aqua in stock form. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, please let us know. Would love to hear your thoughts. And if there are other switches you want us to compare, to test, please comment below as well. Look forward to seeing you next time.